Good morning, everybody. Today I'm gonna show you one very basic formula in Excel, which is very common and frequently we use in our office, in our home, in our daily to daily work. So let me open first Excel. I have already opened it here. Yes. So here is my question is that whatever the data you can see here, I want to know how many unique number is in this data. So how will come to know? So we know in Excel we don't have any formula to evaluate the unique number in Excel. We have many formula count if, but there is no any formula of count unique or something, right? So how we can count unique only, whatever the data is in this list, how we come to know only count unique? So let me explain that how we can do it. So as we can see that we have 100 three times, two times 200, and so on. Okay, so just understand the logic that how we can do it. So my logic is that if I will divide one divide at first I will count that 100, how many times 100 comes in this data, how many times 200 comes in this data. So this we can easily evaluate by using one formula count if. So our range is this data, I already named this range as data, comma, in this range our criteria is 100. So in this range how many times 100 comes, it will divide here, so like 3. So I will track this data. So it comes like 3, it means 100 3 times, and 200 2 times, so it is representing 2 here. So on this data is going on. Now the next step is what I will do, I will further divide this number, how many times this number comes, further divide this number by 1, like 1 divided by 3. So if I will drag further, let me explain you why I did so. Because I want these 3 to make it 1, right? Because I will count these 3 numbers as a 1, because these 3 records I will count it 1, because 100 comes 3 times and I will count 100 only 1 times. So what I will do, I will divide 1 divided by 3 times, so it will come like this. If I will add these 3 numbers, so it will always sum 1. So now what will happen, if I will sum now these numbers, whatever the numbers we got here after divided, so it comes as 5. It means there are 5 unique numbers in this list. As you can check, 1 2 3 4 and 5, right? So guys, this is nothing, it's just a logic, a concept that how you can make it a unique. So these are the formula what you used to evaluate a unique number. So I will make one simple formula to do it, see how we can do it. So first I will use count if. Okay, count if this, comma, data, comma, sorry, close bracket. So this is the whatever the number, this is come like this. Okay, so what I will do, I will divide this number by this, right? So further I close this in the bracket, right? So now what is, whatever the results will come, I will simply sum it. So I will put sum and this. So as I have used these all in one formula, so definitely it's a array formula. So whenever we write any array formula, so always we execute array formula with control shift enter. So I will press control shift and enter, and here it go. You can say in one formula only we can evaluate these numbers. So just let me verify this once again. Suppose I will put a different number here like 700, so ideally it should be 6, right? Again I will put here 700, so there should be no change in this data, right? There is no change in this data. So guys, this is a very easy way to calculate the to know the unique number in any data. Thank you so much guys for this. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe it. If you have any suggestion, any comment, please write below. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.